super.
All the other one on their side.
Whoa!
Guys, oh no!
Whoa!
Wow, dude!
Alright, that saw wheel break off.
Oh, radical!
That was pretty cool.
Insane! Totally tubular.
No, it was total. There's a difference.
So totally tubular. This is the ride that was total. Please speed, I need this.
So what would you rate this on a scale of 1 to 10?
2.
What? I would rate it about a 6 or a 7.
Bruh.
Are you sure?